Hi everyone, my name's Nadia and I'm a sales consultant over at Steele Hyundai on 3625 Kempt Road, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2021 Hyundai Sonata and the Ultimate Edition.
Let's take a look at the exterior. That glossy black front grille produces that sleek, stylish look. You also have LED projection headlamps and that nice LED daytime running light strip. Over to the side, we have our 18-inch alloys with the chrome on black, creating that contrast to really make them stand out. As we move on to the back, you can see that we have a really unique taillight design. You also have your dual-tip exhaust. This is a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine. And now as we open up the trunk, you can see how much trunk space there really is. Now let's take a look at the interior with these beautiful black leather surfaces. You have remote start keyless entry. Over here by your door panel, you have integrated memory seats. Taking a look at your leather wrapped steering wheel, you have the heated wheel option along with Bluetooth, cruise control, and lane follow assist. If you push this button, the car will keep you in the middle of your lane. Great for taking sharp corners. Here you have your 12-inch fully digital cluster. You have the ability to switch drive modes, and when you do so, your cluster display changes to match. You can also view your blind spot, so when you signal to switch lanes, you can do so as safely as possible. Down here you have your drive mode select button, and over here is where your wireless charger is located. Up here you have dual climate control with heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats. Let's take a look at our 10-inch touchscreen display. You have the ability to customize different user settings if you happen to be sharing a vehicle, but you also have a whole bunch of features such as navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, BlueLink, which gives you some cool capabilities such as being able to start your car from your phone. The Sonata also features ambient lighting. It's fully customizable. You even get a color wheel to ensure that you get the exact color that you want. Just one last thing I wanted to show you, the Sonata features Smart Park, so it actually has the ability to move itself. Take a look. Well, I think that's a perfect way to end off this video, so thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Again, my name is Nadia. You can call me at Steele Hyundai at 902-454-1000.